Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day. There are water bottles, so let's start our trash walk with these. So have a great day. Let's see what else we find. Hope you smile. Remember to be kind. Well, no offerings today, besides some seashells someone put down there. And someone took the stuff that was here, so maybe there'll be something tomorrow. Have a great day. Some more things. Bottle cap and a fork. Adding to our litter cleanup. Remember, every piece counts. Ooh, we're gonna be rich. One whole dime. And a quarter. We are loaded. Wild strawberries. Happy spring. And this stuff. I don't like this weed whacker string. You find it everywhere, but in a bush? Interesting. Bye.